Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Stamp With Me with Amy and her friends. Alright guys, I went completely out of my comfort zone. This is the very first time I ever created an entire 12 by 12 background page, just stamping it out with different shades of black with different stamps. I used word stamps and then I used icon stamps. Right now I am using the word that says, "Oh, happy everything," and I started out with my Stays On ink, and it must be getting dry. I didn't really get a very crisp stamp, or image. I'm saying, not stamp. The stamp is crystal clear. The image with the ink was not real crisp until I really stamped hard. I mean, even that one is a little crisper. So that's when I decide I'm going to move on, and that ink pad you see to the right is actually from Color Box, and it's an archival dye ink, and I'm using the stamp from Close to My Heart that says, "Let the Good Times Roll." Then I use another stamp from my collection that says, "Life is Good." And eventually you're going to see me bring in a solid heart, and that is when I use the charcoal ink. It's exclusive ink from Close to My Heart, and it's a water-based dye ink. Right now I'm stamping out stars, so here comes the solid heart. And if you notice to the right again, my ink pad changed, and that one is, like I said, the exclusive ink water-based dye ink from Close to My Heart called Charcoal. I love that charcoal color. And now I've got out this flower that came from the Close to My Heart Let the Good Times Roll. And it's a fairly new stamp with Close to My Heart, and it is so cute and adorable. It has one of those old VW vans, and then all these real hippie names and hearts and flowers and music notes and little birdies. It's an awesome stamp. All right, now I'm done stamping that out. All right, now you're saying, "Dolly, that is just a complete hot mess." Well, now you got to add the color to it, and that's what I'm doing. I'm using first this Vicki Boutin color crayon, and I water it down, and I use the kissing technique or smushing technique, and I just watch. I'm building my layers. Okay, I decide I need a little bit more of this beautiful, it's an aqua blue. No, you can get an aqua green tone. This has like a blue tone, and I really love the color of this. Now I'm getting out an old Tim Holtz Distress paint in Picket Raspberry. And this one I water down a little bit as well. And then I decide, ooh, I got a little bit too much. And it would look like a big blob instead of kind of with open space and giving you that kissing, smushing technique. Watercolor look is what I'm thinking of. All right, so now I lay my photo and I'm like, okay, I think I need one more color here. And then I get out my Distress paint in Mustard Seed, and the dabber was a little dry, and so that's why you saw me really pressing with that. One way to fix that is just squirt the top of your dabber with water. If you're like me and you have some of these older Distress paints that have been in my stash for a good 10-15 years, however long. When these first came out, I was one of his first customers. No, not kidding, but I did purchase them when they first came out. All right, now I'm going to do what I call the simple tearing technique. A smoother tear is what I refer to it as when you use a ruler. And these papers here that I'm using are scraps from my kit that I put together for Mini Kit Monday for the month of April. And these were my scraps. And no, I mean, it's a perfect way to mat the back of your photograph. Now I'm using the Dear Lizzie She's Magic. Again, came from my kit I put together for Mini Kit Monday. And if you don't know what Mini Kit Monday is, then you are a new subscriber, and that's a-okay. So you need to go back to my channel and check out Mini Kit Mondays. And we also have a Facebook group. All right. Now I am using the chipboard of She's Magic from Dear Lizzie. And you're going to see me fuss a little bit here with that. And actually, I probably spent more time arranging my chipboard pieces and my die cuts than I did creating this background. So that's just a little tip. If you want to be daring and do something for the first time like I did and create your own background using stamps, then you just go for it. Pre-select what you think you want to use, have some words, then have some icons, and just randomly go for it. And I'm telling you, once you add the color and a few die cuts, you don't have to add very many, okay? Because you've got this background, stamped background, you will be happy and amazed. All right, I appreciate you all. Be sure to check out the ladies' links listed below. Keep coming back and give us all thumbs up and be a subscriber. Bye.